Okay, let's cook a spicy tilapia and tofu today. This is a very delicious Szechuan dish. Now first, let's get a piece of ginger ready. After you wash it, you want to peel the ginger. You don't want to eat all the brown spot inside the ginger. Slice the ginger and set it aside. I want to usually slice this fish when it's halfway thawed. It's easier to slice it to even pieces. You want it to be about a quarter thick. You can, of course, use some other fish as long as properly filleted. Set it aside. Here's a piece of green onion. I want to use this green onion as garnish, so you want to wash your hand very thoroughly and use a different chopping board. Or you can prepare this step way ahead of time. Set it aside. Now let's add some flavor to the fish. Add some white pepper and some green Szechuan pepper powder and some salt and some hondashi. Hondashi is a Japanese flavor enhancer that's very good for cooking seafood with. And same with Chinese rice wine. You can find this in all Asian grocery store. Now let's add an egg white in there. Crack the egg and then use the half shells to help you to separate this yolk from the egg white. You can do that just by shovel it back and forth. Now put the egg white in there. Along with cornstarch, egg white can serve as helping to foam the coating for the fish. So this way you can seal the flavor. Now the oil can help you to seal that coating as well. So stir this all together and let it marinate for at least half an hour. Now let's get some tofu ready. So you want to use soft tofu, and you can pretty much find that in all Asian stores. There are usually firm tofu and soaked tofu, but soft tofu is very consistent with the texture of fish, so you want to pick soft tofu here. Now get some water ready. You don't want to cook this by steaming it. You want to bring it to a certain temperature. So when you're done cooking the fish, your tofu is also nice and steamy hot. Now let's get some oil ready. And put some Szechuan brown pepper, some pickled red chili sauce, and don't forget some fava bean chili sauce. Fava bean chili sauce adds so much flavor to this dish. And you can find that in all Asian stores. Add some water to it. And then add some sugar in there and some chicken bouillon. And then you want to make this soup base to be a little bit saltier than normal. Remember, you have a big piece of tofu there that doesn't have any flavor yet. Go ahead and bring this soup to a boiling. And then you want to slice the fish pieces in there very gently. And don't stir it yet. You want to wait till 2 to 3 seconds for the coating to foam. Now you stir it very gently, just like this. You don't want to cook the fish for too long time. 5 minutes is plenty. So now get the tofu ready. Now you can see the tofu is steamy hot. Now use a spoon and spoon out thin pieces of the tofu. Put that in a big serving bowl, and this way the tofu can easily absorb all the flavor from the soup base and from the fish. Now you add the soup on top of the tofu pieces. The aroma is really amazing now. Now let's get some oil ready. So I want to use cold pressed peanut oil. I want to bring it up to over 200 Celsius. If you don't have a thermometer gun, you want to use just a visual. You can see it smoking, then it's ready. Now add some pepper, white sesame, now pour that on top of the sesame and crush the red chili. Look at that sizzle. Oh my God, the aroma is amazing. Now you want to add the green onion on top as garnish. Now enjoy this Szechuan tilapia and tofu.